Hey miners, how's it going? So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be comparing the CC Miner 2.2 by T-Pruvat, and I'm going to be comparing it up against the Nevermore miner. And if my information is correct, the Nevermore miner is a fork off the CC Miner. But what I have here is a rig that's got 6 GPUs, all of which are GTX 1060 6GB, and there is one 1070 8GB. So 7 in total, 6 of them are 1060 6GB, and one of them is a 1070 8GB. And it is currently hashing away here using CC Miner. And I don't know which algorithm it's on, but it's at 39.6. I do have the cards overclocked here on the right. I use MSI Afterburner as my utility, and they're not too crazy. 683 for the 1060s. The 1070s at 699. Core clock's at 129 or 130, and I do have the power limit decreased about 10%, 10 to 20%, I'd say. It's at 86. But anyways, those are the numbers. And if I scroll up here on the miner, it's pretty consistent at 39. And then another algo, it's at 40. Another one's at 42. Just switched the stratum connection failed, so it was interrupted there. Scroll up again, 39, 40, 43, 42. Yeah, so this is the CC Miner, and it's been stable. Like it's been non-stop for I don't know how many days now. I think 4 days. And I'm happy with this miner. And then I did some digging around, and apparently there's a Nevermore miner that increases your hash rates 10 to 15%. So I thought I'd give it a shot and make a video. So let's get to that now. So first things first, you're gonna go to the Nevermore download page, and is at the github.com. I'll leave a link in the description to get this direct download. For this demonstration, we're going to be using Windows 10 64 zip file. So you go ahead and download that. I already did. It's right here. Show in folder. We're going to extract, and you just choose your folder you want to extract to. I'm sure you've done all this before. I've did mine already. We're going to open it up, and you're going to take a look at that bat file. I already made a bat file, and I called it Raven Start Mine Pool. But if you look at the README text, it's got a list of common options, intensity, and for no devs, or a list of CUDA device. See your config file if you want to, and you can actually type in -c or this string here, --config. You can actually overclock your GPUs right from your bat file. I have this type of setup in my Claymore miner, and I just use the bat file to set the overclock settings. Algo -a is you want to set to x16r. Intensity default is auto. I had it set at 19, but I'm going to change it to 20 and see what kind of hash rates I'm getting. But anyways, there's a whole bunch of lists of commands. A lot of it is probably not pertaining to you, or you just want to keep it simple. I'm just going to keep it simple for now. And let's take a look at my bat file here. Actually, let's take a look at the example bat file. So it says may be unstable with intensity 21 and above. The developer donation percent with that minimum donation is 1%. So that's the lowest you can go, which is fine. If I'm getting an increase of 10 to 15% hash rates, I don't mind that 1% dev fee. And this is the string you want to start with right here. You can change your intensity from 19 to 20 if you want. Dash N300, I left that in there. P depends on what pool you're in. My pool does not require a password. If you're with Supernova, then you're gonna need a username and password. This is your wallet address, so you're gonna enter that in there. Okay, let's take a look at my bat file. Okay, so I started with these environment variables right here, as I always do with my bat files. CC miner -A 16R-O, and this is my mine pool, stratum TCP, port number 3636. Make sure you get the colon in there. My wallet address -P C equals RVN. This is how I set my password. Intensity, I have it at 20. Donate 1 -N300, and then pause. And the pause I always put just in case you have an error there. It'll pause at the screen. You can take a look at what it failed on. So anyways, let's execute this bat file. Okay, so it's loading up. Starting on the stratum. It's seeing all my GPUs there. And she's hashing away. Okay, so at the intensity of 20, I am getting a 49 megahashes per second. One thing you'll find out is you don't want to go too high with the intensity, because this is what happens. You get rejected shares, and it actually affects your hash rate, because it's almost like you're taking on too much work, and it takes a while for you to take on new work. So it actually degrades your hash rate from doing that. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the other intensity. Let's stop this. Save that, and I'm gonna execute it. Same thing, 7 miner threads started using the X16R algorithm. It's climbing up, 46, 48 now. We're at 49s. We're in the 50. $51. Couple of rejected shares there. Seem to stabilize at 51. . So I'm gonna say intensity 19 seems to be working out for me. But I swear I've executed this before with intensity 19. I was getting 54 mega hashes. But anyways, yeah, so I'm definitely getting 10 to 15% an increase in hash rates, and I think it's supposed to be more stable. But the overall appearance seems to be identical to the CC miner. It actually tells you, you know, the wattage on some of the GPUs. My GPU 2's got 95 watts. Actually, if you take a look at, my wattage meter on the wall, it actually did not affect my my wattage at all. So I'm getting more hash rates at the same amount of wattage. That's good. That's a plus, right? Hashes per watt has increased. That's basically what you're trying to do. You want the best bang for buck. You want it to make it profitable. Yeah, so hopefully, you know, hopefully this miner works out for you as well. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, like I said, to download the Nevermore miner. And if you found this video helpful in any shape or form, please hit the like button, subscribe for more future videos, and as always, pay it forward. Thank you.